Have you ever wondered why some computers feel very slow while others work super fast?
Even when they look almost the same from the outside, their performance can be completely different. One computer may struggle to open programs and respond slowly, while another can run smoothly, quickly, and efficiently. So, what actually makes a computer fast or slow?
So, what makes them different? We first need to understand two very important concepts in computer systems. They are called computer architecture and computer organization. Even though they sound similar, they actually have different roles inside a computer.
To make this topic easier to understand, let's imagine a computer as a house.
A house has many parts that work together. It has rooms, doors, electricity, water system, and different functions inside. A computer system works in a similar way. Inside a computer, there are many components connected together, such as the CPU, but memory, storage, and other hardware. Just like a house needs a good design and proper organization, a computer also needs both structure and coordination to work efficiently.
Let's start with computer architecture. Imagine you want to build a house.
Before the house is built, you first need a design or blueprint. The blueprint determines how many rooms the house will have, where the doors and windows are placed, and how the overall structure will look.
In computers, computer architecture works in a very similar way. It focuses on the overall design and structure of the computer system. Computer architecture defines how the computer is planned to work, how the processor handles instructions.
Just like a house blueprint helps determine how comfortable and efficient a house can be, computer architecture helps determine how powerful, efficient, and capable a computer can become.
Let's use a house as an example. Every house has a different layout and design. Some houses have more rooms, different connections, and better organization. A well-designed house makes everything more efficient and comfortable. Computer architecture works the same way. It determines how the main parts of a computer are designed and connected together.
And that design can affect how fast and efficient a computer performs.
Now let's talk about computer organization. If computer architecture is the house design, computer organization is how everything inside the house works together. For example, the lights, water system, electricity, and room functions must all operate properly. In a computer, hardware components also work together the same way. The CPU processes instructions, RAM handles temporary data, storage saves information, and other components help the system run smoothly.
So, the computer organization focuses on how the hardware actually works and interacts inside the computer.
Computer architecture focuses on the design and structure of the computer system. It explains how the system is planned and arranged.
Meanwhile, computer organization focuses on how the hardware components actually work together inside the computer. In simple words, architecture is about the design. Organization is about the operation.
Now we can understand why some computers are fast while others are slow. A computer with good architecture has a better system design and structure.
And a computer with good organization allows the hardware components to work together more efficiently.
So, in conclusion, computer architecture focuses on the design. The hardware and components work together inside the computer. Using the house analogy makes these concepts easier to understand. Both architecture and organization are important because they help determine how efficiently a computer performs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next learning video.